Do you hear that? A tweet from Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, purchased for $2.5 million. Or the Beeple's The First 5,000 Days artwork sells for $69 million. What is behind this crazy and supernatural thing that's happening online? It is because of NFT. It stands for non-fungible token. Non-fungible tokens are cryptographic assets on a blockchain and cannot be replicated. What you are buying, either an NFT, is kind of like a certificate of ownership for virtual assets. They let us tokenized things, like art collectibles, even real estate. They can only have one official owner at a time, and they're secured by the Ethereum blockchain. It means no one can modify the record of ownership or copy NFT into existence. Effectively, you're buying access to a code that runs through a gateway online. Let's explain more about the concepts. What is fungible and what is non-fungible? For physical items, for example, you have $10 and you can exchange it with another $10. But the Van Gogh Starry Night artwork, it is unique and you cannot exchange it with another artwork. And the examples for digital items are Bitcoin and Ethereum as fungible item, and the things that are as NFT are non-fungible. And for the last, we should know that the NFTs need massive amount of energy, which contribute to climate change. That is the bad side of NFTs. If this video was helpful for you, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.